So you might be in a situation where for some reason Snapchat is not letting you log out. So you can see right here, I was able to successfully log out of Snapchat, but sometimes that doesn't happen for everybody. So the very first thing you want to go and check out is to make sure, in my opinion, to make sure that Snapchat and their servers aren't actually down. So typically this would be one of the last things to check out, but because this error is just so random and usually any application will allow you to log out, this is probably something of concern. So what I would recommend doing is going to a website like downdetector.com, or is it downrightnow.com. You can also make your way over to the comment section of this video or twitter.com. It really doesn't matter. I'm not sponsored by these people. It's just a website I typically go to. This website honestly isn't even that great, and they could do a way better job if I'm being honest. But essentially what you want to do is when you make your way over to this website, you want to go ahead and see if Snapchat is basically anywhere near the top. If Snapchat is actually down, it's usually going to be the top one or two applications that are up there. But you can see Snapchat is not really up here. So at least for me right now, I can probably verify that Snapchat is not down, but it looked like it was down maybe a while ago. So yesterday, the day before, you can see that it was pretty much down for a little bit of time, and I think that was mostly due to people, and I think it was mostly due to people not able to be logging out. So just one of those things to keep in mind. If your application is not letting you log out, and if it looks like that, if it looks more like this, like how Steam is, that will basically tell you that Snapchat is, down, and you're just going to have to wait it out. And then after they'll be able to basically log you out, once they fix the problem. Now, if that's still not working, you can also try updating Snapchat. So go and open up your app store like this, and all you want to do is go and search up Snapchat. So click on Snapchat like this, and all you want to do is go and update Snapchat like that. So update Snapchat, and that might end up fixing the problem too. Again, not a guarantee, but it's another thing that may end up fixing the problem. And like I said, for a lot of people out there, I've seen a lot of people, kind of fix a lot of problems within Snapchat just by simply updating the application. So those are pretty much the main things to do here. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. I hope I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.